Get excited about the 2010 Infiniti G37. This two-door, four-passenger convertible has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, a power convertible roof, and power seats. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, integrated rollover protection, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Infiniti's comprehensive certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.